Hi guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Welcome back to Rich and Leo Modelling UK. We have another review. So this one is the 148 scale Airfix Supermarine Spitfire Mk.Vb. This was bought for me by my Nan. Thank you very much, Nan, for a Christmas present. And let's get on and see what's going on with this one. So, I'm going to have to turn the box around because I can't read upside down. So, like I said, on this side of the box, you've got the length, which is 195mm, width, which is 232mm, and there's 151 pieces in this box for this Spitfire. Like I said, guys, it's the 148 Supermarine Spitfire Mk.Vb. There's a little bit of information there, what it was used for, when it was used, and other information on the side of the box. You've got your two paint schemes there. Two paint schemes there as well. What you need in there, and you've got your 2 hours worth of flight time with the Airfix flight hours once you've joined the Airfix club. This one is only a skill level 2. On the other end of the box, you've got basically what was on the front, and then you've got some information in all different languages on the side. I have opened this box, so we don't need to worry about cutting anything. Oh, yes we do, because I only opened it one side. So let's cut down through there. There we go, get rid of that. So, inside the box, we have a full set of instructions. You've got everything, all your icons and what they mean. So we've got the black triangle, which is the part or the step. We've got the white circle, which is the part number. The black square, which is, it means do not cement together. We've got the red square, which means location. We've got the question mark, which means you can have either or. And we've got the X times 2, which means you need to build 2 of them. You've also got decals in a white rectangle. The lighting is really bad. Let's have a look quickly. Oh, let's touch that. Our clear parts, and then we've got a bit of weight sign if you need any weight. Remove by filing, which is a triangle, which is this one here. Sorry if I don't know if you can see that. One for drilling and one for cutting. So we are, 1 second, sorry. There we go. Right, let's get back to it. Right, so step 1, pretty simple. Paint the inside, put some levers in there and the oxygen tanks. I'm not going to run through the whole steps by step, but as you can see, build the chair, build the frame for the cockpit, assemble it, paint it. Pretty much the first page is the cockpit. Second page, fit the cockpit, put some fuselage strengthening in, which are these. The firewall there for the engine, which I don't think it comes with an engine. I think it's all enclosed, which is fine. And then there's a few bits of cutting and drilling in here as well. You've got your stand, but it doesn't come with a stand. So if you don't want to purchase the extra stand, don't drill the 2mm and the 3mm hole, which you asked for in there, which are basically down here, because you won't need them and then you'll end up having to fill them. Next one is putting spars for the undercarriage, fitting the wings together, fitting the fuselage to the wings, building the tail up, the ailerons and your elevator and your rudder, and then pretty much putting the flaps and the ailerons on, putting the front nose cover on, fitting your, I think that's your air, one of your air intakes, a couple more air intakes. Don't quite know what that is, but we'll fit it anyway because it's asking for it. And then making sure your wheels are in the line, so if you only want to have your wheels up, you only put half the wheel on, you don't put the full wheel together. I take it comes in 2 parts by the looks of that. Yeah, so then your wheels alignments at 93 degrees from there, and then 77 degrees forward, which will give you a nice pitch and accurate. Right, then we go on to the guns and the engine exhausts. I'll probably drill them out if they're not drilled out, and then building the propeller up as well. I'm probably going to make this one electric so the propeller spins, but we'll see. If it fits, it fits. If it doesn't, we'll use it on the hindcool. But we'll see. I like this as well. Tammy will give you a nice, clear colour print of what it's supposed to look like as well. And then you've got the second one on the back as well. So we will have a look at that and give that a go. But yeah, that's your instructions, guys. Let's have a look what else we get in the box. So we get a big bag of plastic, and we get some nice detailed decals. And are these made? What are the decals made by? Are they edge guard? I can't tell. I'll find out and I'll post it if they are. Can't see at the moment. Cartograph, sorry, they are cartograph. Decent decals, really nice. So let's open this bag of goodies. I've got my really bad knife. What do we get in the bag? So we get, I think Airfix should really start looking at getting rid of the paper plastic bags and putting them in paper. I know Lego have started doing theirs in paper, and I think that would be really good for the environment. So what we got? We got some, wow, cool, we got like 3 different canopies in there. Let's have a look at the, move this out of the way. So this is the fuselage. It's only 1/48 scale, so it's slightly bigger than the 1/72, but not too much. Really nice detail. Everything is, all the panel lines are inlaid, which is quite nice, so that will give a nice, there's even some nice detail on the inside as well. There's a few parts that we're going to need to get rid of the injection marks, but all in all they aren't going to be too much of a problem. I'll give you a closer look at that if it will go in. Let's have a look, see if we can do it this way. But yeah, we'll have a look at that and we'll see. So that's our first one. Second sprue, what number is this? Sprue B. So we have the interior of the cockpit, so that actually fits inside there. That'll fit in there. That looks really nice. There's lots of detail in there to play around with. For a kit of this size, there's quite a lot. You've got a raised cockpit glass, instrument panel, tail and the rudders are all nicely done. A lot of detail on the actual control surfaces. Tiny little wheel for the rear, I think that'll be. Your tail wheel, that's quite nice. That's actually quite a nice kit. Right, so that's number 2. Number 3 is slightly bigger. We've got the engine parts, the exhaust, some there's one damaged there, but we can fix that. All the bombs and stuff that I didn't know they were in there, to be fair. The propeller. There's a second nose cone there for different options. All the tricky fiddly bits are in this one. There you go, let's have a look. What's that? Let's put that in that further forward slightly. There you go, let's stop that shining. So yeah, we've got all the nice bits and pieces. Where's the detail? I want to show you the detail inside that fuselage. Look, some really nice detail in there. So don't forget to wash all of your plastic before you use it, because it may have some ejection resin on it still, and the paint probably won't stick to it. Some lovely, lovely detail on this plane. Really, really nice detail. Look at that. Hopefully we can get it. Let's turn the sprue around. Some really nice detail in there for the wings. And then the last one, we've got another batch of interior, some of the air intakes, the seat, another nose cone, another set of propellers. Yeah, really, really nice kit, to be fair, guys. I can't wait to start this one. I might actually have to start this one before I start the other ones. I don't know, we'll have a look. I've still got the Wellington to finish. That was taking time, and wait for some paints to come for that. So, oh, drop that. We'll get them in a minute. But yeah, all in all, guys, that is the kit. So I say this one, I'm not too sure the price of this one, but I will put it in the description. Once I find out, it'll be in the description, and then we can get. You can have a look at getting this one from Airfix. So this again is the Supermarine Spitfire, and it is made by the Airfix brand themselves, and that is the photo artwork on the front of the box. So guys, thank you very much for watching this review. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please feel free to like and subscribe. It costs absolutely nothing, and it helps the channel out massively. Leave a comment in the bottom, see what you think, and thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Thanks very much, take care, bye bye.